Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create backend application using Bolt.new, which is AI tool. So you need to visit to Bolt.new and you just need to add prompt as I want to build course management backend application using Node.js or Express.js. You can mention any project name. Here I'm mentioning course management, but you can mention anything, and once you hit enter it will start creating the backend application for you. So here I know the backend application is much more complex, which uses database and the get, post, delete requests, right? But as of now we are not going to connect with the database. We will just store some sample data in JSON, and that we will fetch using API. So right now you can see under 1 minute we have generated this application. Now I will show you how you can run this on your local. On the left hand side you can see few curl commands already, and for that we need to download this project into our local. So let's export this file. So from here, from top you can see the export button. Once you click on export it will download, and once you export this you can extract this particular code and you can run it on your local. So you can extract it in your desired directory, and in this project folder you have the entire code. So I'm going to open this project folder from my VS Code. So I'm selecting this project and now it is imported in my VS Code. So from the terminal I will first run this npm install command, which will install all the dependencies mentioned in your package.json. And here based on the package.json commands I can just type npm start and it will start the localhost on my 3000 portal. So here I'm just mentioning localhost 3000/2. If I mention I won't get anything, because there is certain format in which you need to call the APIs. You need to mention /API/courses. From the code you can understand what are the APIs that we have, as well as on the Bolt.new terminal. So there is also there are multiple curl commands. So I am going to copy paste one of that, and you can see once I mention this API get API I got the output. I will test through the Postman as well, and here also I will add the URL, and from here also you can get the response. I am just pasting that particular URL in my Postman and you can see I got the response. Similarly I will just copy one more URL, and that is also visible in the new tab if I enter it, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. You can go through all the code from your local. Thank you.